like to call our past president, Dr. Rajiv Pandey sir, on dais, please. And scientific secretary, Dr. P.C. Shai sir, on dais. And I request everyone to stand up for doctor's prayer, please.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत् न त्वहं कामये राज्यं न स्वर्गं न पुनर्भवं कामये दुःखताप्तानां प्राणिनां आर्तिनाशनम्.
So a very good morning to all respected seniors. On behalf of GPs Association Gorakhpur, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you for our very first morning CME of the session 25-26. So as it's rightly said, knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Our morning CME tradition is a symbol of togetherness, learning and growth. Today's topic is one that connects directly to confidence, personality and overall well-being. Smile redesign. We are honored to have with us our distinguished speaker, Dr. Mudita Jaiswal, MDS in Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics, and a certified Invisalign provider. She has transformed countless smiles with her expertise, and today she will guide us on how modern orthodontics is redefining the art and science of smile. So now, without any further delay, I welcome Dr. Mudita Jaiswal to speak on smile redesign.
Respected doctors, seniors and their colleagues, myself Dr. Mudita Jaiswal. I'm an orthodontist and certified Invisalign provider. I'm a senior consultant at Lifecare Hospital. My topic for presentation today is smile redesign. So before starting the topic, I would request everyone to always wear a smile, because your smile can be a reason for many others to smile. These are the contents that I'll be covering in the presentation: introduction, brief history of orthodontics, drawbacks, failures, limitation of earlier system, different types of orthodontic procedures, advancement in the orthodontic system, how it works, a difference between the braces and the clear aligners, and celebrities that have been reportedly treated by the Invisalign and orthodontic procedures. And last is your summary. Now starting with the definition of orthodontics. So orthodontics is a Greek word. That means if we divide orthodontics into two, that is ortho and dontics. Ortho means to straighten up or to correct, and dontics means teeth. So the correction of teeth is known as orthodontics. That means टेढ़े मेढ़े दांतों का इलाज. Now the term orthodontic was coined by Lee Fallon. The British Society of Orthodontics in 1922 defined the specialty as the study of growth, development of jaws and face particularly, the body generally as influencing the positioning of teeth, the study of action and reaction of external and internal influences on the development and the prevention and correction of arrested and perverted development. So that's a huge definition. So in a very simple terms, what is orthodontics? So orthodontics is a super specialized branch of dentistry that deals with the correction of misaligned teeth and jaws by giving appliances like clear aligners and braces for the correction of the malocclusion and for a better oral health and well-being. Okay, now the history of the orthodontics. I'll be taking the brief history. During ancient times, simple wires and bands were used. So the scientists like Hippocrates and Celeste, they commented on the craniofacial deformities. Okay, they suggested why not to apply finger pressure to move the teeth. Okay, then in 17th century, Pierre Frocher came. He was the first orthodontist to invent an appliance for the expansion of the arches. Then till 17th century, dentistry was considered as a part of medicine. Then in 19th century, Kingsley came. He introduces modern braces. He introduced external forces to move the protruding teeth and for the correction of palate-related problems. Till 19th century, what happened? Till now, the only concern was on the correction of misaligned teeth and the jaw-related problems. But little or no attention was paid onto the occlusion. So in 20th century comes the Angle era, that is Edward Angle. He was the father of modern orthodontics. He gave an ideal occlusal scheme. So he invented a lot of appliances like pin arch, ribbon arch, edgewise and all of that. So then Calvin came, he suggested why not to go for extractions for a better stability and facial aesthetics. Then Martin came, he said we can go for heavy forces and elastic for the correction of malocclusion rather than going for extraction. But for a long-term treatment occlusal relationship, prolonged use of elastic would lead to relapse of case. So in 1930s, again the extractions were introduced. Now today, digital scans and invisible options are there. Like there are like tremendous advances have been done in the orthodontic technology, like 3D smile, short smile, aligners and many more for the correction of the malocclusion. Now, wherever the terms I'll be using like malocclusion, misaligned teeth or jaw misalignment, that means tedhe mere daant. Okay. Now, what was the drawback for the earlier system? Why it failed? These appliances were bulky and uncomfortable. Treatment took a very long time. So it was not. There was like poor control on the root resorption, and it was difficult to position the each tooth. Poor appearance with the big metal parts. So what happened? Big metal, crude metal bands were used to wrap around the teeth for the movements. Then because of that, there was lot of wire bending. So it was quite difficult to treat the patient during that time. Now, as we can see the picture of these two beautiful actresses of our own Bollywood industry, but can you notice something is missing? Why? Yes, so basically their smile. Okay, no doubt they're the most beautiful actresses of our industry. But if they had gotten their treatment earlier, this would have added immense charm to their beauty. Now, what are the consequences of malocclusion? That is, first is your poor facial appearance. So any malocclusion is capable of adversely affecting the facial appearance of the patient. Second is the temporomandibular joint problems. So malocclusions related with prematurities or deep bite often lead to TMJ related problems. That means it can lead to pain and discomfort. Then we have risk of trauma. So if teeth are procline, so there will be a high risk of injury while playing or while falling down or with any of the activities. So it will lead to risk of trauma. Then we have psychological disturbances. As we all know that any malocclusion is capable of adversely affecting the facial appearance of the patient. So this can also lead to the psychological disturbances in the patient. So any person who is highly conscious about his or her looks need the orthodontic treatment for a positive mental well-being and confidence in the patient. Now we have the high risk of dental caries. So any malocclusion, so sometimes if there is jaw misalignment, there is misalignment of teeth. So that can cause improper maintenance of the oral hygiene, and this will lead to the risk of dental caries and the gum related diseases. Now, what are the services that are offered by the orthodontics? So orthodontics is again divided into 4 categories: preventive, interceptive, corrective and surgical. So what we all do in the preventive orthodontics? So we all know the saying that prevention is better than cure. So किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को अगर हम उसको पहले ही प्रिवेंट कर दें so that वो प्रॉब्लम और बड़ी बात में ना बन जाए. So preventive orthodontics include procedures undertaken prior to the onset of malocclusion in anticipation of a developing malocclusion. Preventive orthodontics defined as action taken to preserve the integrity of what appears normal for that age. So what we do in preventive orthodontics, we proactively catches protecting against the future teeth and jaw by early treatment of the for the correction of the early treatment of the jaw. Okay, so what we all do, we do the patient and parents counseling over here. We usually fix the cavity, managing the habits. Then you use space maintainers for if there is an early loss of a deciduous dentition, and we monitor the child's teeth and jaws. So preventive orthodontics is again divided into 2 categories, that is prenatal counseling and the postnatal counseling. these prenatal counseling should begin much before the child's birth. So it is all about the parents' education. The expecting mother should be educated on matters such as nutrition to provide an ideal environment for the developing fetus. Okay, the mothers, some researchers have found that there is a correlationship between the poor oral hygiene and premature birth. So the mother should be educated on the importance of mother's milk over the bottle feed milk, and the teething problem that occur during the 6 months to 1 year of age, because the eruption sequence is like हमारा पहला जो दांत आता है मुंह में, that is at around 6 months of age. That is your lower incisors, then your upper incisors. So there will be the teething problem. Then postnatal counseling. The postnatal counseling usually begins at 2 years of age. There are high chances of getting decays and caries during this period. So bottle feed should be withdrawn by 18 to 24 months because chances of decay and caries are there. Then parents should be informed about habits also. Like अगर बच्चे को thumb sucking की habit है, mouth breathing की habit है, या lip sucking की habit है, तो parents should be informed, because अगर continuously बच्चा thumb suck कर रहा होगा, thumbs up करेगा, तो what will happen? It will create a pressure onto the palate. So there will be a narrowing of the arches during 3 years of age only. So this will lead to a malocclusion later on. So, and then if there is an early extraction or exfoliation of the deciduous teeth, तो advantage and importance of space maintainers. जैसे बच्चों में कभी कभी क्या होता है, जो दांत होते हैं deciduous teeth होते हैं, वो टूट जाते हैं या कभी किसी और रीज़न से गिर गए या कुछ हो गए. सो द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्पेस मेंटेनर, नहीं तो अगल बगल के दांत उसी स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई कर लेंगे, तो हमारा परमानेंट टीथ जो है टाइम पे नहीं आ पाएगा, या वो हमारे आर्च में कहीं और डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा. सो वन मोर थिंग, जैसे आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ मदर्स जिनके बच्चों के दांतों में कीड़े लग जाते हैं, बट दे डू नॉट गेट इट रेस्टोर्ड. बट अ वेल रेस्टोर्ड प्राइमरी नेचुरल टीथ एक्ट एज अ बेस्ट स्पेस मेंटेनर फॉर द चाइल्ड. Now the caries control. Basically what happens, the caries actually act on your proximal surface of the teeth. What is proximal surface? जो आपके दांतों का left and right side है, that the mesial and the distal, that's the proximal surface. So caries basically attack करते हैं onto your proximal surface of the teeth. Then on your whole teeth, the labial surface, the lingual surface, फिर वो पूरे दांतों को खा देते हैं. What will be the loss? There will be a loss of an arch length, because इसी arch पे, maxillary arch पे, mandibular arch पे ही हमारे दांत टिके होते हैं, so that it will guide us for the permanent dentation later on. Now, what is interceptive orthodontics? It is basically to intercept the future related problems that might occur in a child's teeth by early interventions like giving them appliances and to guide them on the oral habits. So we as an orthodontist potentially catch the issue and correct these deep bites, narrow bites and crowding to make the second phase of treatment, that is the corrective orthodontics, much easy and to avoid major surgeries later on. So when what happens in the interceptive orthodontics? This is during the developing dentation, that is this usually happens during the mixed dentation phase, that is जब बच्चे 6 से 10 या 12 साल के होते हैं, जब उनके बच्चे के भी दांत होते हैं, दूध के भी दांत होते हैं और परमानेंट टीथ भी दोनों आर्च में होते हैं. तो दिस यूजुअली हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग द इंटरसेप्टिव ऑर्थोडोंटिक. इट इंक्लूड्स प्रोसीजर्स दैट आर अंडरटेकन एट अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ मालऑक्लूजन to eliminate or reduce the severity of the same. By undertaking appropriate interceptive procedures, it is possible to prevent establishment of a full-fledged malocclusion that may occur long-term orthodontic treatment at later stage. So, why there is a delay in the eruption? हमारे permanent teeth time पे क्यों नहीं आ पाते हैं during the mixed dentation phase? Maybe there is over retained deciduous teeth in the teeth roots. सुपरन्यूमरी टीथ, हमारे दांतों के अलावा भी कोई और एक्स्ट्रा दांत आ जाता है, लाइक हाइपरडोंशिया और द टैलेंस कप्स और एनी ऑफ द टीथ. देन द अनकाइलॉस प्राइमरी टीथ, इफ आवर रूट्स आर फ्यूज्ड टू द बोन, then this could be a reason. Then we have the congenitally absence of the permanent teeth, localized infection of the trauma or the dental crowding. So agar during the mixed dentation phase, as we can see the picture, so this picture is of highly placed canine. जैसे आपने बहुत सारे आप लोगों ने लोगों को देखे होंगे जिनके highly placed canines होते हैं. Why is it there? Because deciduous teeth is already into the arch. अगर वो टाइम पे एक्सट्रैक्ट नहीं होता है तो दिस विल लीड टू दी करेक्ट, वी विल फॉरवर्ड इट टू द करेक्टिव ऑर्थोडोंटिक्स. तो हम डेसिडुअस टीथ एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं टू ब्रिंग द आर्च बैक, कैनाइन बैक इनटू द आर्च. Now the corrective orthodontics. It includes orthodontic procedures undertaken to correct a fully established malocclusion. Corrective malocclusion usually happens in the permanent dentition. जब आपके सारे permanent teeth dental arch में आ गए हों. Okay. Otherwise, like it is mainly after the 12 years of age. So malocclusions includes crowding, स्पेसिंग हो गई दांतों में, ओवरलैपिंग, रोटेशंस ऑफ द टीथ, अंडर बाइट, ओवर बाइट, क्रॉस बाइट, सिजर बाइट. देयर इज मेनी मालोक्लूजन दैट वी ट्रीट एंड वी फेस इन डेज टू डेज लाइफ and we correct them with two appliances. There is only like two appliances that we use to correct. One is your traditional braces and one is your aligners. Then surgical orthodontics. Surgical orthodontics, basically this is a combination of orthodontic treatment to that of an oral maxillofacial surgeon to correct dental as well as skeletal irregularities. So surgical orthodontics includes procedure to carried out to remove any etiological factor or treat very severe dentofacial deformities that cannot be treated by orthodontic therapy alone. Now, while orthodontic treatment is primarily focused on the correction of the malocclusion, alignment of teeth and jaws, it has a significant impact on the overall human body and well-being. How? First is your improved oral hygiene. That is, if there are misaligned teeth, they can cause areas where plaque and bacteria can easily accumulate. So this could lead to gum-related diseases or dental cavities. So aligning the teeth make it easy to clean and thereby helps to improve the oral hygiene. Second is your enhanced digestion. So if there are proper alignment of teeth, अगर हमारे दांत already सीधे हैं, so this will allow more efficiency of chewing, which is crucial for the breakdown of the food. So this will help to improve the digestion and nutrients absorption. Third, we have healthy jaw function. So jaw misaligned teeth can cause TMJ related disorders that will cause pain and discomfort. So orthodontic treatment helps to resolve this issue and relieves the stress from the joint for a better jaw function. Then we have the positive mental health. If a patient is already having a straightened teeth, so this can help to boost the self-esteem and confidence in the patient and positively impacting the mental health of the patient. Now we have the cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular health, that is few emerging researches suggested that there is a link between cardiovascular health and the oral health. So by potentially implying a better oral hygiene through orthodontic treatment can indirectly benefit the cardiovascular health. For example, the bacteria and inflammation can lead to gum diseases like periodontitis. They can enter the bloodstream and contribute to inflammation throughout the body. So this inflammation is linked to increased heart-related diseases or heart strokes or other conditions as well. Now, posture and musculoskeletal health. So jaw misalignment can lead to can cause head and neck posture. The orthodontic treatment helps to improve these posture and elevate the musculoskeletal health. Now weight management, as we all know that proper alignment can have more efficiency of chewing, so there will be a proper dietary habits. So this will also contribute to the proper weight management in the patient, according to research found by Curis. Then reduced risk of tooth wear and facial discomfort. So if there will be a bad bite, this will lead to uneven tooth wear, and in severe cases orthodontic treatment helps to prevent facial disfigurement. Now, like other parts of the body, our mouth is also full of germs. Though these germs are harmless, but mouth is the entry to the respiratory tract, mouth is the entry to the digestive tract. Though these germs are harmless, but mouth is full of germs, and this can lead to diseases throughout the body. So how can you protect your oral health? So you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes. Use the brush that is of soft bristles. You need to brush your tongue as well. Clean between your teeth. You can use floss, you can use water floss. Eat a healthy diet and limit sugary foods and drinks. You need to replace the toothbrush after every 2 to 3 months. You can do it sooner if bristles are flare out or worn out. and you need to see a dentist once a year for checkups or cleaning, but I would say that you need to go at least twice a year for your cleanups. That is mandatory, because most of us doesn't know how to brush properly. हम usually, how do you brush? How do you brush? ठीक है? We usually do like this, otherwise this is the wrong way of doing the brushing. We have to hold the brush in a 45 degree and we have to brush in a swiping motion. अगर हम गंदगी को वहीं फैला दे रहे हैं यहाँ से यहाँ, तो वो तो वहीं रह जाएगी. It's better to swipe it कि वो हमारा निकले ऊपर के लिए या नीचे के लिए, otherwise वो वहीं रह जाएगी. And this will lead to debris and plaque later on. Now the last is your don't use tobaccos. What is the need of orthodontic treatment? To improve the dentofacial appearance, to correct the occlusal relationship and the function of teeth, to eliminate the occlusion that could potentially damaging to the health of teeth and periodontium. So these are the wide range of orthodontic issues that we face and we treat in day-to-day life. Crooked teeth, crowding of the teeth, highly placed canines, spacing in the dental arch, overlapping, rotation of the teeth, underbite, overbite, crossbite, and then there are many more. So how do we treat? We usually treat them through orthodontic appliances. Orthodontic appliances like aligners and traditional braces. So what are the different type of orthodontic appliances? So there are traditional braces and aligners. What are these traditional braces? These traditional braces consist of metal brackets, wires and elastic modules that apply gentle pressure to move the teeth. Then these traditional braces are highly effective and they are durable to treat a wide range of orthodontic treatment. These traditional braces are cost effective compared to a lot of options. So what now? You have to decide what kind of the braces are best. Okay, so choosing the right type of braces is a crucial decision. अब हम ट्रीटमेंट का प्लान बना दें कि ठीक है, हमें दांतों के टेढ़े मेढ़े दांत हैं, हमें ट्रीटमेंट कराना है, हमें या तो ब्रेसेस का ट्रीटमेंट कराना है या तो हमें अलाइनर्स के लिए जाना है. अब हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमें ब्रेसेस में भी किस टाइप के ब्रेसेस के लिए जाना है for the treatment. Now detailed consideration for the different type of braces. The first is your metal braces. So these are the traditional and most common type of braces. These are made up of high grade stainless steel. These are durable, these are cost effective. The only drawback is that they are visible क्योंकि ये metal के बने होते हैं. Second is your ceramic. These are aesthetic braces, tooth color braces, clear brackets. These are less noticeable to that in compared to the metal braces because of their discrete appearance. Then they are prone to staining because of the tooth color bracket. Then they are slightly more expensive than the metal braces. So usually the costing of the treatment of the metal braces is like 20 to 30K. And for the ceramics, it is like 30 to 40K. Lingual braces. These are completely invisible because brackets are bonded from the lingual surface of the teeth. These are custom made. These are only fabricated for a particular patient. Makes them challenging to clean because अगर हम सामने से ही जल्दी से दांत साफ नहीं कर पाते तो just makes them difficult to clean from the lingual surface also. Now patient will face initial discomfort and temporary speech related problems. These are expensive from the rest of the tooth, that is the metal and the ceramic. Then we have the self-ligating braces. So these braces have a special clip or a built-in mechanism to hold the arch wire to the bracket. अब ट्रीटमेंट में क्या होता है, हम ब्रैकेट लगाते हैं और हम आर्च वायर लगाते हैं. ये हमारे मूवमेंट्स करते हैं, टिप, टॉर्क और लाइक टॉर्क मूवमेंट, लाइक साइड मूवमेंट करेंगे या आगे पीछे मूव करेंगे फॉर द करेक्शन ऑफ द माल ऑक्लूजन. So these are easier to clean, they show quicker results and they are the more comfortable treatment experience. Now, can anyone tell me, is there anything on the model? Is there anything on the model? Yes, that's the beauty of the aligners, that these are transparent, these are clear plastic aligners that are custom fitted to your teeth to move your teeth gradually into a desired position. These aligners are made by the 3D scans of your teeth. So what the treatment involves? Treatment involves wearing of multiple sets of aligners for a specific period of time, likely about 20 to 22 hours for 7 to 10 days, okay, for the gradual movements. before moving to the next in the series. तो ये ट्रांसपेरेंट अलाइनर्स जो होते हैं ये हमारा ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं टू दैट ऑफ अ ब्रेसेस. जैसे ब्रेसेस होते हैं, दिस इज एन इनोवेशन टू द ऑर्थोडोंटिक सिस्टम. Now, these aligners such as Invisalign, innovative alternative to traditional braces. These are custom made. These are clear plastic trays, nearly invisible क्योंकि आप इसको easily remove कर सकते हैं और इसको वापस पहन सकते हैं while brushing, flossing or any of the activities. You can have your favorite cuisines also with these aligners. आपने इनको निकाला, आपने पहना, आपने खाया, जो भी आपको खाना है, then you can wear it back. तो ये इसकी it's an advantage with aligner. So offering an unparalleled convenience, high level of compliance, worn for 20 to 22 hours, and these are highly effective. The aligner cost is for the treatment is 1 to 3 lakhs, okay, for Invisalign. हाँ, आपको अगर कुछ भी खाना है तो we have this benefit कि ये आपके ट्रीटमेंट भी कर रहे हैं, और अगर आपको कुछ भी खाना है, ब्रेसेस के साथ ये बेनिफिट नहीं है कि हम कुछ भी ब्रेसेस क्योंकि सीमेंट होता है टूथ पे, बट ये अलाइनर्स के साथ क्या है कि अगर आपको कुछ भी खाना है, कोई भी फेवरेट फूड खाना है, उसके लिए कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, आप निकालो, आप खाओ, देन यू अगेन वेयर इट बैक. हाँ, मतलब कुछ भी खाएंगे तो मुंह धुलना पड़ेगा, गागल करना पड़ेगा, देन यू हैव टू वेयर इट बैक. बच्चे नहीं, it usually for the kids like 7 years onwards. Now, what people notice first when they meet someone? That's a question. What people notice first when they meet someone? Yes, mostly 80% of the people usually notice your smile rather than your hair, clothes, shoes, smell or anything. So a smile is the prettiest thing that you can wear. Now let's redesign the smile with the Invisalign. So Invisalign is a brand of clear aligner from Align Technology. This is an American company. Okay. It was founded in 1997 and it was launched in US in 1999. So Invisalign is a brand of clear aligners used to straighten the teeth as an alternative to traditional braces because these are less noticeable and they provide much comfort than that of a traditional braces. It involves series of custom made removable plastic aligners that gradually shift your teeth into your desired position. ये आपके टेढ़े मेढ़े दांतों का ये प्लास्टिक अलाइनर ट्रीटमेंट करता है कि उनको स्ट्रेटन अप करता है. Now, the Invisalign system is the most advanced clear aligner system in the world. So what makes the Invisalign system unique from the rest of the aligners? That is, Invisalign system is the only system that has 3 smart features. That is, smart track material, smart tech technology and smart force feature. Provides the better fit and comfort to the patient for the gradual movements. Then smart force features, they deliver force system, the optimal and the predictable tooth movement, maybe as an individual or as a series. Then we have the smart tech technology that generates the optimal path for the tooth movement. So with the Invisalign system, you can have your better smile towards a pleasant one using all these 3 smart features that are already inbuilt in the Invisalign system. We actually give the best smile that you actually desire with the Invisalign system. Okay, so almost like 25 years of digital orthodontic innovations have been done with Invisalign. 17 million around smiles have been transformed with the Invisalign, and around 4 million teens have been treated with the Invisalign aligners. Now, how it works? So Invisalign uses a series of clear-made plastic aligners that change every few weeks. Each aligner is slightly adjusted to gradually move your teeth into the correct position. So what happens? Before starting your orthodontic treatment, okay, before starting your Invisalign treatment, your doctor, your orthodontist will take an impression of your teeth using the intraoral scanner or the PVS impression. हम एक impression लेते हैं आपके दांतों का जो आइट्रो स्कैनर्स आते हैं उसके थ्रू. Then हम आपको इसमें ट्रीटमेंट के रिजल्ट पहले ही दिखा देते हैं कि आपका दांत ऐसा है, वो आपके ट्रीटमेंट के एंड रिजल्ट क्या आएगा वो हम आपको पहले एक शो कर देते हैं. वी यूजुअली शो यू और डिस्कस विथ यू द द आउटकम ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट. दैट्स अ सिमुलेशन दैट कि आपके दांत ऐसे हैं और इसके एंड ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट में ऐसे दिखने वाले हैं. नाउ this is a ClinCheck software that we orthodontists use. Okay, so using this ClinCheck software we map out a personalized treatment plan just for you. जहाँ पे अब ये aligners हैं, अब ये aligner में अब बेसिकली ये प्लास्टिक अलाइनर है. सो इसमें टूथ मूवमेंट हम क्रिएट करते हैं कि हमें किस दांतों में कौन सा करेक्शन करना है, ये हम डिसाइड करते हैं. सो ये ClinCheck सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू हम ऑप्टिमल टूथ मूवमेंट बनाते हैं कि हमें फर्स्ट अलाइनर में ये चाहिए, सेकंड सेट में हमें ये चाहिए, थर्ड, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर सिवियरिटी ऑफ द केस. सो एवरीथिंग इज डन डिजिटली. सो using your digital scan, we like a sets of multiple sets of clear plastic aligners are made using the SmartTech technology to gradually move your teeth into a desired position. Then these aligners will be given to the patient. The patient has to wear a set of aligner for a specific period of time, likely about 20 to 22 hours daily. उसको 20 से 22 घंटे पेशेंट को वो पहने रहना है. ये नहीं है कि आप इसको रिमूव करके छोड़ दोगे. You have to wear it for at least 7 to 10 days daily, particularly before moving to the next in the series. Now what happens? Now this is an app called as My Invisalign app. So with the help of virtual care, अब जैसे हमने पेशेंट को okay, this is also beneficial for the outstation patients also. ठीक है, जो सिटी में नहीं है. So क्या होता है कि पहला सेट हमने पेशेंट को दे दिया, हमने ट्रीटमेंट ड्यूरेशन बता दिया, आपको 7 से 10 दिन तक इसको पहनना है, 20 से 22 घंटे. सो अब पेशेंट की जो मॉनिटरिंग होगी हमारे पास जब पेशेंट विजिट करेगा, जो ड्यूरेशन होता है दैट इज आफ्टर 6 to 8 weeks ओनली. सो उस ड्यूरेशन में जैसे 10 दिन खत्म हुआ, नाउ पेशेंट हैज़ टू टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ द स्माइल. तो दिस इज एन माई इनविजिलाइन ऐप जिसमें विच इज़ ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन एनी ऑफ द ऐप स्टोर्स. तो पेशेंट अपनी पिक्चर क्लिक करता है स्माइल की, सो दैट वी एज एन ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट monitor that the treatment is going effectively or not, if there is any of the changes that we have to make during the treatment. Now the Invisalign difference, these are highly aesthetics because of their discreet appearance. These are like they provide better comfort because they are made of a highly plastic material that provides a better fit. Then we have the better oral health. Better oral health as in like you can easily take it off, you can brush, you can do your flossing and you can wear it back. Then there is no restrictions on the food. You can eat your favorite food with the Invisalign aligners with that of a braces जिसमें आपको allowed नहीं होता है कि आप अपने favorite foods खा सकें. You are like limited to sticky foods, you are limited to hard foods, you are limited to most of the fruits as well. आप कुछ भी आगे से bite नहीं कर सकते हैं because braces already stick हैं दांतों पे. With that of an aligner, आप अपने favorite foods खा सकते हैं. You can do your activities also, and if you're going to for some event also. ये ऐसे aligners हैं कि किसी को कोई notice भी नहीं करेगा कि आपके treatment already चल रहा है. It is not visible. Now fewer doctor visits, as I have already told you that 6 to 8 weeks treatment duration होता है next appointment का, and this shows much faster result to that of our traditional braces. Now let's talk about overall the traditional difference in the traditional braces and the Invisalign. So appearance wise, traditional braces में metal brackets है, wires है जो कि visible होगा. With that of an aligners, these are clear plastic aligners. Comfort की बात करें तो they cause traditional braces cause comfort because brackets हैं, wires हैं, तो थोड़ा it's a like initial discomfort होता है पेशेंट को अडेप्टेबिलिटी के लिए. Then we have the Invisalign. These are more comfortable, smiling, a bit painful experience for the patient who have braces क्योंकि वो generally smile नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि उनके braces लगे होते हैं. But with that of Invisalign, you can smile confidently. With diet limitations to your diet, as I have told you, you cannot have your sticky food, you cannot have hard food, or you cannot have most of the like options like cheesy options, chewing gum, chocolates, the patient cannot have. But with that of Invisalign, there is no limit or there's no limit because these are removable. You can easily take it off and you can wear it back. Then with cleaning, it is difficult to clean. So we have an orthodontic brush for ortho treatment. हम normal brushes नहीं use करते हैं. We use orthodontic. That is a special brush that we give to the patient. With that of Invisalign, you can use your normal brush as well. उसमें कोई foundation नहीं है. It is easy to clean. Now permanent versus removal. Braces cemented होते हैं, tooth पे bonded होते हैं. With that of an Invisalign, ये removal होते हैं. आप आराम से इसको निकाल सकते हो. Now treatment duration, that is 1 to 3 years. With that of a traditional braces, but with Invisalign it is 6 to 18 months depending upon your severity of case. Now these are the before and after pictures of the orthodontic procedures and the aligners. The smile transformation done across the world for a lot of celebrities for orthodontic treatment and aligners. Summary, when it comes to achieving a beautiful, healthy smile, orthodontics plays a crucial role. Orthodontic treatment not only enhance aesthetic, but also improve oral health, function, and goes a long way in the overall well-being and personality of an individual. Ultimately, the best type of braces for you will depend on your specific dental needs, personal preferences, and lifestyle consideration. Consulting with an experienced orthodontist is essential to make informed decision. They can assess your situation, guide you towards the most suitable treatment option, ensuring you achieve a healthy and beautiful smile. So let your smile change the world and don't let the world change your smile. Thank you.
Big applause for
One second. Thank you all the doctors for patiently listening to me, and special thanks to my Chote Papa and Choti Mummy, Dr. JP Jaiswal and Dr. Smita Jaiswal, who encouraged me to express myself through this platform. Thank you.
जीपी एसोसिएशन की तरफ से भी मैं डॉक्टर जेपी जायसवाल सर और स्मिता मैम का थैंक करना चाहूँगा इतनी अच्छी गैदरिंग के लिए. पूरी जायसवाल फैमिली हम लोग को दिख रही है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर for delivering such a beautiful talk, and we really appreciate the clarity with which you delivered your talk. So before moving to quiz question and answer session, we'll first cover the quiz contest, short quiz contest. So the first question is, what is a common early intervention for severe dental crowding in mixed dentition? Common early intervention for severe dental crowding in mixed dentition. Option A, extraction of primary teeth. Option B, use of retainers. Option C, interproximal reduction of permanent teeth, or is it option D, extraction of permanent teeth? From my right side, just raise your hand first. जायसवाल फैमिली को हम लोग बाद में कवर करेंगे सर. इसी कंट्रोवर्सी से बचने के लिए डॉक्टर जायसवाल, हाँ प्लीज. Answer C, interproximal reduction of prominent teeth. I'm sorry, that is not the right answer. Dr. Pratibha ma'am? C, okay. Once again, you can try your luck. You are the dentist?
ऐसे करके फुल.
Dr. Rita Mishra has answered extraction of primary teeth. That is the right answer. Big applaud for ma'am. So ma'am अभी cover करिए. अभी जब सब आ जाएंगे तो फिर dentist को लेंगे फिर. So नाम note कर लें, Dr. Rita Mishra. So the next question will be from my left side. Which of these is not a way of treating malocclusion? Option A, growth modification. Option B, orthodontic camouflage. Option C, facial aesthetics. Option D, orthognathic surgical treatment. Just raise your hand. Growth modification, orthodontic camouflage, facial aesthetics, orthognathic surgical treatment. Which of these is not a way of treating malocclusion? Dr. Alok Gupta sir? Option B, orthodontic camouflage. I'm sorry sir, that's not the right answer sir. Sir, आप. He's from the Jaiswal family sir. Dr. Jaiswal. C, facial aesthetics. Yes, facial aesthetics is the right answer. Just explain.
Okay, the thing is that we cannot treat malocclusion through facial aesthetics, because facial aesthetics is all about your facial appearance. Okay, जिसमें बोटॉक्स लगता है, ये लगता है, तो इससे हम ऑर्थोडोंटिक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. ऑर्थोडोंटिक ट्रीटमेंट कैन ओनली बी ट्रीटेड बाय ऑर्थोडोंटिक मीन्स ओनली दैट हैव बीन कवर्ड विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द 3 ऑप्शंस.
Great, great. Question is from my left side. At what age, right side sir, at what age should a child go for their first dental visit? Option A, 6 months. Option B, 1 year old or 6 months after the tooth becomes visible. Option C, 18 months, or is it option D, 4 years? Just raise your hand. Dr. Agrawal sir? E, 4 years? I'm sorry sir, that's not the right answer sir.
6 months.
Dr. Archana?
C.
Option C, 18 months? I'm sorry, that's not also the right answer. We are left with the 2 options.
6 months.
6 months? That's not the right answer. We are left with the 1 option only. Yes, doctor? Option B, that is the right answer. ये बहुत tough question था, आपने बहुत अच्छा आंसर किया. Thank you. So, 1 year old or 6 months after the tooth becomes.
Yes, because what happens, the first teeth that develop in the dental arch is your deciduous lateral incisor. Okay, that develops during 6 months to 10 months. Okay, so you have to visit during that time, because I'm not asking for the treatment, but at least the parents should visit the dental clinic for at least just a checkup, because bleeding of the gums, swelling of the gums usually begins like that of our teething problems usually begins during the 6 months of the age.
So great. So the fourth question is from my left side. What are the serious conditions that can be caused by oral bacteria and inflammation associated with the gum disease? Option A, pneumonia. Option B, complications during pregnancy or birth. Option C, cardiovascular diseases. Or is it option D, endocarditis? Or is it option E, all of the above? Just raise your hand. Then just raise your sir. Just raise your hand. Dr. Shahi.
Cardiovascular diseases.
Question change.
Dr. R.K. Pandey, sir?
All of them.
Yes, that is the right answer. All of the above is the right answer.
Because the bacteria is in the plaque that actually creates spaces. Okay, so this can actually with bloodstream it flows into your body, and this can cause inflammations throughout the body. Because mouth is the entry, I already told, mouth is the entry to the most of the organs like respiratory tract or digestive system.
Actually, mouth is like a, जैसे आप venous injections देते हैं ना direct, वैसे ही oral cavity is full of vessels. तो everything is getting absorbed like anything. तो it is like a venous channel. कोई भी bacteria अगर oral में है तो वो सारी बीमारियों को जन्म दे सकते हैं, right? So the last question is from both the sides. Anyone can answer. Just raise your hand. How many teeth does an adult human and child have? Option A, 32 and 24. Option B, 32 and 20. Option C, 32 and 16. Option D, 31 and 18. Just raise your hand.
32 and 20.
Huh?
32 and 20.
32 and 20. My God. Big applaud for Dr. Pratibha ma'am. बिल्कुल सही बताया इन्होंने. 32 and 20. So that's the end of the quiz contest. And now we'll move towards the question and answer. I'm sure there must be many questions from the audience. So any questions? Please, sir. अधूरा रहेगा sir.
पहले तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर सच ए ब्यूटीफुल प्रेजेंटेशन. बहुत बढ़िया. और दांत पे तो कई कहावतें हैं, मुहावरे हैं. दांत पीसना, दांत दिखाना, दांत काटना, दांत काटी दोस्ती है. दांत पे तो बहुत से दांत तोड़ दूंगा. हाँ, दांत तोड़ दूंगा. आपने एक टर्म एक्सप्लेन किया ऑर्थोडोंटिक्स, उसी तरह से एक टर्म ऑर्थोपेडिक्स. सेम ओरिजिन उसका भी है. ऑर्थो मींस टू स्ट्रेटन अप एंड पीडिया केम फ्रॉम द पीडियाट्रिक्स. तो ये जो टर्म इनिशियल आया टू रेज और टू मतलब लालन पालन किसी बच्चे का स्ट्रेट तरीके से करना, सही तरीके से करना, राइट तरीके से करना, दैट वाज ऑर्थोपेडिक्स. बच्चों में चूंकि पोलियो या डिफॉर्मिटी ऑफ लिम्स पहले बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे, उसका जो करेक्शन करते थे तो वहाँ से फिर ये टर्म उधर शिफ्ट हुआ ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, तो ये फिर पूरे बोन डिपार्टमेंट ने इसको अपना वो बना लिया। तो बेसिकली वो ऑर्थोपेडिक्स से बना हुआ है। एक ये था, दूसरा ये कि एक मैं अभी शू लेसेस के बारे में मैं कुछ देख रहा था, मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि क्या वो कुछ आपके टेक्निक में भी इस्तेमाल होता है। शू लेसेस में एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी आई है विच इज़ मैकेनिकल लेसिंग। उसमें स्टील वायर लगाते हैं और एक सिस्टम लगाते हैं डायल करने का, जिससे आप जितना डिग्री चाहते हैं आप अपने शू को टाइट कर सकते हैं या लूज कर सकते हैं। तो इनिशियली गैरी हैमरफील्ड या हैमरस्लैग, गैरी हैमरस्लैग जो था, ही वॉज ए इंडिविजुअल हु इन्वेंटेड कार्डियक कैथेटर्स, वो पायनियर था इसमें। और 201 में ही वॉज ए माउंटेनियर, ही वॉज ए स्नो स्केटिंग करता था। उसने अपने जूते के लिए फिर इस पर रिसर्च किया कि हम कुछ ऐसा लेसिंग सिस्टम बनाए जो कि हमारे जूते को बहुत सिक्योर करके रखे। तो उसने ये बोआ टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई, BOA, नेट पर जाइएगा, BOA लेसिंग सिस्टम। और फिर उसने इस टेक्नोलॉजी को पेटेंट किया। तो अब नी ब्रेसेस, एंकल ब्रेसेस, फिंगर ब्रेसेस भी जो बनते हैं उसमें उस बोआ टेक्नोलॉजी को लगाते हैं कि आप कितना टाइट करना चाहते हैं, ब्रेस को कितना लूज करना चाहते हैं, एंड ही गेट्स द रॉयल्टी आउट ऑफ दैट। तो क्या नहीं डेंटल ब्रेसिंग में भी ऐसा कोई सिस्टम यूज होता है? मेरी एक जिज्ञासा है।
No, sir, it is not like that.
Any other question?
Questions, suggestions, anything?
Sir.
Done very well. We are really liking Dr. lecture. One thing I want for the benefit of all the persons who are present here, we are always confused about which toothpaste we should use. Is it fluoride, toothpaste? Can you guide us something for this?
Sir, to be very honest, if you don't have any problem in your teeth, you can use a normal Colgate toothpaste. That's the best toothpaste, even I use that. Okay, but if you have gum-related gum diseases or there is a swelling from the gums, you can use Parodontax toothpaste. Then if you need tooth whitening, कि अगर दांतों को सफेद करना है, तो it's just a myth. There is nothing like that. You need to go for the treatment. But still, if you want to have a try, then you can go for Glodent or Dentine 90, and then the Glycer also.
Colgate क्यों use करें?
Colgate because calcium.
हम इंडियन
You can use any toothpaste.
Vigo Vajradanti.
No. I won't recommend any of the.
Ramdev.
अगर रिकरेंट पेरियोडोंटाइटिस हो रहा है, स्पाइक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं जा रहा है, आपने आज तक अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं कराया, प्लीज गेट योर ब्लड शुगर चेक। और अगर आप डायबिटिक हैं तो प्लीज चेक योर ब्लड शुगर। कई बार डेंटल के पास ही आदमी पहले आता है, वो एडवाइस करता है कि अपना शुगर चेक कराओ, और कई बार आपका शुगर कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि पेरियोडोंटाइटिस।
Because in diabetes.
शुगर कराना तो बहुत रूटीन होना चाहिए। जो भी क्लिनिक विजिट कर रहा है शुगर तो जरूर से देखना है। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट्स मिस्ड। डॉक्टर साहब, आपने एक फ्लॉस के बारे में बताया, कुछ फ्लॉसिंग में कुछ नया है, कुछ हमारे
You can use water floss also, easily available on Amazon. You can try. There is this Perfora water floss. Because क्या होता है, ब्रशिंग तो हम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन दांतों के बीच की गंदगी आप कैसे साफ करोगे? You have to use floss, okay, those thread ones. But वो क्या करता है, ज़्यादा अगर आपने पुश कर दिया तो फिर वो आपके गम्स को हिट कर जाएगा। It's better to use the water floss. वो एक जेट स्प्रे टाइप की होती है. You can use that.
वाटर फ्लॉस, राइट, ओके।
वो मसाज भी करता है gums की, it does the massage also and it cleans the.
In foreign country, it is a trend.
It is the
Yes,
trend.
it's a trend.
और वो जो इंटरनेशनल में साथी छोटी सी जो दांत की
That we use only in orthodontic procedures because braces लगे होते हैं, वायर पास हो रही है, तो पेशेंट जो है ब्रश प्रॉपर्ली कर नहीं सकता है। तो इंटरडेंटल टूथब्रश इज अ ट्रायंगुलर टूथब्रश, जैसे ऐसे
दोनों तरह का
हाँ
सीधा भी है, ऐसे
होगा, तो वो आपके प्रॉपर्ली वो ब्रश करने में हेल्प करता है। We use that.
पहले तो जैसे उससे कर लिया, पिन से कर लिया, तो अब ये जो वाले आते हैं ना ब्रश,
It's like a pin only that having a like bristles in the front.
ब्रशिंग ऑफ टूथ अप एंड डाउन इज ओके, लेकिन क्या मसाज ऑफ गम्स आफ्टर ब्रशिंग help some bit? Because we have practically seen that after brushing, if you are doing, probably it is for circulation and all.
For blood circulation also people usually do that, but I don't recommend doing massage because you do not have time. सुबह हम उठ रहे, we only get 2 minutes. हम
But
50 seconds
we
में
should have.
We should do
and
that.
gargle या kulla
You
after
need to use
meals.
mouthwash as well. You can use chlorhexidine mouthwash or Listerine or Clausis.
Any water
Any.
can also help after taking your
Because see,
meals.
mouthwash is not the replacement for the toothpaste. To be very honest, you have to do the toothpaste. You need to clean your teeth. Mouthwash is something that is कि जहाँ जहाँ टूथ हमारा ब्रशिंग के लिए नहीं पहुँच पाता है तो उस एरिया को वो माउथवॉश कवर करता है.
And sugar content of these toothpaste, does that matter for caries and all?
उसमें तो उतना होता नहीं है शुगर कंटेंट. That's why that's the marketing.
Sweetness
But I
are
don't think so.
इसीलिए 2 मिनट कहा जाता है सर.
Anything लाल दंतमंजन तेल नमक उसका क्या?
अच्छा, एक क्रिया होती है जो इसके बारे में सर बता रहे हैं, गंडुश क्रिया कहते हैं उसे, ऑयल पुलिंग जो कह रहे हैं सर. एक आयुर्वेदिक प्रथा है जिसमें आप नारियल का तेल वगैरह रख करके उसको 5 मिनट के लिए कुल्ला गलाला करते हैं. तो दैट इज सपोज टू क्लीन ऑल योर गट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो सर उसके बारे में एक बार जानना चाहते हैं.
So I usually don't recommend this. No, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. You can use mouthwash for that.
So according to you, mouthwash should be the must.
You can
So
use mouthwash once.
Is there any common oral flora which necessary for us, or is it mouthwash is damaging each and everything? Some flora, some gut flora, जैसे gut flora की हम common बात करते हैं कि gut flora एक common हमारा होता है, जो ऐसे हम oral flora की बात नहीं करते हैं जिसमें
You can go for warm saline gargle also. थोड़ा सा वही we usually recommend our patients कि आप गर्म पानी में थोड़ा सा नमक डाल करके gargle कर लो like 2 to 3 times. That's the warm saline gargle that we want.
और ये Invisalign जो बताया है वो Invisalign क्या किसी भी एज में करा सकते हैं?
Okay,
Anyone?
that's a very good question. So, because like a lot of patients usually visit me and they say कि मैं 40 साल का हूँ, 50 साल का हूँ या मेरा बच्चा 10 साल का है. So क्या हमें Invisalign treatment या aligners या braces हम ले सकते हैं? With that of a Invisalign आप definitely ले सकते हैं. But आपके jaw bones healthy होने चाहिए, आपकी roots healthy होनी चाहिए और कोई abnormalities नहीं होनी चाहिए. Then you can go for the Invisalign, that is the aligner treatment.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है बस कि जो आपने लाख रुपए बताया वो हर 7 दिन में लगने हैं या वो सब वो पूरा ट्रीटमेंट का है?
Okay, so basically we have the EMI options also, but it depends upon the severity of case. कितना complex case है उतना pricing बढ़ जाती है. So it starts with 1.5, not exactly 1 lakh. It starts with 1.5 lakh and goes till 3.5 lakhs.
वन टाइम दीजिए चाहे
One time आपको पे करना है. It's totally different for the whole treatment.
जैसे 7 days पे आपको फिर से उसे थ्रीडिंग करके फिर से
हाँ,
देखना है.
नहीं. For the whole treatment you are paying this much amount, but in the end you need to pay extra 20K for the retainers.
Okay.
That's the why.
1.5 3.5 देने वाला फिर वो 20K के लिए नहीं पूछेगा. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है.
हम लोग के बीच आज एक और नए मेंबर हैं, डॉक्टर आलोक पांडे सर. सो प्लीज एक बार अपने बारे में बता दीजिए.
सभी को नमस्कार. मैं डॉक्टर आलोक पांडे, मैं सीएमओ देवरिया से रिटायर हुआ है अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, और यहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में भी रहा हूँ, बस्ती डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में रहा हूँ, कानपुर में रहा हूँ, अब आपके यहाँ मेंबर हूँ.
वेलकम सर.